Why a careful transition matters.
Finishing a cleanse or detox diet can feel refreshing, but jumping back into regular meals abruptly can upset your digestion and energy. It's important to ease your body back into normal eating to avoid bloating, discomfort, or nutrient imbalances. Learning how to transition safely sets you up for sustained wellness and helps maintain the benefits of your health reset.
Start with gentle foods.
Begin by reintroducing simple, easy-to-digest foods like fruits, steamed vegetables, and whole grains. These options help your digestive system adjust after a period of restriction. Avoid fried, processed, or high-fat foods for a few days, as these can be hard on your stomach. Slowly increasing food variety allows your body to adapt and supports a smoother transition.
Hydration and mindful eating.
Continue to drink plenty of water to help flush remaining toxins and support digestion. Eat slowly and pay attention to hunger and fullness cues. Your body may need time to recognize these signals again after a cleanse. Mindful eating helps prevent overeating and supports healthy digestion as you reacquaint yourself with regular meals.
Watch for how your body responds.
Notice any digestive discomfort, fatigue, or food sensitivities as you reintroduce new foods. If you experience issues, slow down and stick to gentler meals before adding more variety. This self-awareness can also help you identify foods that make you feel your best, guiding healthier choices moving forward.
Maintain healthy long-term habits.
Transitioning off a cleanse is a chance to adopt lasting wellness habits. Keep up with balanced meals, plenty of fruits and vegetables, adequate hydration, and regular physical activity. Avoid falling back into old habits like overeating processed foods. This gentle, mindful approach supports ongoing health and helps you get the most out of your cleanse experience.